Oh, this is such a weird one. You know I have to end the show in the weird zone here.
Okay.
It's imperative that I end the show in the weird zone to reward the individuals who stick with us. Man spots terrible mistake on girlfriend's resume, explaining why she hasn't found a job.
Oh.
Who's to blame for this formatting fiasco? All right, this is on Fox News, and I'm like, all right, how did this become news? Right? But then we're talking about it, so it's like, okay, now it's news. Anyway, but it's obviously a very weird headline, so it got me curious about, first of all, what's on this resume, and second of all, how did we get here? Those two things. So I read through the article. It's actually pulled from a Reddit thread where a guy explains how his girlfriend tasked him with reformatting her resume, or not reformatting, to just export it in a different file type so she could send it around. And when he goes to export it, he accidentally changes her name on the resume. And the name on the resume reverts to the profile name of the user on the computer. All right? Are you following me right now?
Okay, yeah.
It was an autocorrect type of accident. So this girl's real name changed to Princess Banana Hammock.
Oh.
On the resume. And actually it shortened it a little bit because it couldn't fit hammock. So it was actually Princess Banana Ham.
Oh.
And supposedly she went ahead and sent this around all over the place. Because, and I'm not saying that there's an excuse there. You probably should check the thing, the document, before you just attach it to the email and send it wherever you're going to send it. But apparently, grew concerned and just getting no responses, booted up the resume and realized that her name was Princess Banana Ham.
Oh. Oh, well, that's really unfortunate.
But here's the crazy part of this story, right? If you click on the Reddit thread, which is, there's a link to it somewhere here. I think it's further up, actually. You're into the ads there. There it is.
This one?
No, the autocorrect accident. Click that link right there. So now you're on the original post. It only has 36 ups. This is not a hot post. It's not the front page of Reddit.
Get someone on Fox was like, this is a good story.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
How deep are people going looking for these types of things? I don't know, but it's very interesting. Do people have set up like notifiers that are around certain subject matter, and then
maybe, yeah,
it gets indexed and sent to them? Click the resume photo and you'll see Princess Banana Ham's resume right there. You see that?
This is really big letters for the...
Hard to believe that nobody caught it, but who knows what's going on here. Maybe Fox News did the whole thing. Maybe Fox News generated the Reddit post, turned it into the story. Who knows what's what? I don't know what's what anymore.
No.
That was proven when I checked the trending this morning, which I don't want to get into.
Yeah, let's not get into
No, and I don't know what's what.